Good morning, Patreons. Well, it looks like the sun came out just long enough for me to put my shoes on and run out here, and then it instantly, everything turned gray again. I'm gonna go check the chickens. Last night for me wasn't that bad. Just a lot of wind and rain. About 10 o'clock, about 10 o'clock today, the temperature will start to drop precipitously. It'll be our turn here on the Eastern Shore to get some of the cold. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still alive. And so, whoa, look at that. I got to clean that up. That's nasty. Anyway, so for those of you that are out there where it's really freaking cold, don't feel bad for me, that's for sure. God, I'm just hoping you guys are all safe. Let's see. I've not really got any things planned for preps today. I did the water video yesterday. Hopefully that helped a bunch of people out, because I just don't understand. It's like it's the number one thing you need to survive more than anything else. If you made a list of 1,000 things, it would be at the top of the list. So I don't understand why it's so difficult for people to do it, but I think it's done. The video's done. Tell your friends, share it with everyone. That way they can all survive. Let's see. There was actually one guy who said in the comments that he uses the blue water jugs to store gasoline in now, because they're only $20 and the gasoline ones are like super expensive. And I thought to myself, that'll work for a while, but then that gas is going to be, gas is corrosive. So it will eventually get through that plastic. And then I started looking at the recycling numbers and then what type of plastic it was made out of. And sure as shit, it's HDPE, I believe is what it is. It's the number 2 for the recycling thing. And yeah, that's the same exact plastic that they use to make gasoline jugs out of. Now, I don't think that it's smart to do that. I think that economically it's smart, but those jugs are not water jugs. Those blue water jugs, they do the job. You put water in them, you stick them someplace, and you're done with them. I don't know. There's something about it that I just don't like, but it will work. It will work. For how long? I don't know. Anywho, let's see. I think that's about it. We're, what is it, Christmas Eve right now? And make sure everybody stays safe. Let's start talking in the Discord, guys, because I just sit here and worry about you. All right, I got to do some Christmas shit. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a safe day. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, I forgot about it's Friday. It's Friday. So 7:30 Eastern. Discord, live chat. Patreons only. We'll see you there. Bye-bye. It's Christmas Eve. If you don't show up, you don't show up. I completely understand. Yeah. I'll be there, but if you don't show up, I understand. All right, guys. Bye. For sure this time. Bye-bye.